cold.
Welcome back to Hillbilly Meadows Homestead. It's Christmas Day and just wanted to make a little video and say Merry Christmas and hope everybody's having a great holiday. Go down here and still got a little bit of work to do on that water. We got a couple inches of rain yesterday. Glad it quit raining before this cold got here though, because then we would have had snow. Oh, it is cold.
Lucy!
Go down here and see what the birds are up to. I don't know where it's coming from. And see, she's got it on her back right here. Like it dripped on her. I thought maybe the little one, maybe the eggs had hatched or something, but no, that's not the case. Why are you got blood on you?
Why do you have blood on you, sweetheart? Yeah, let's put it right there.
Somebody get your beat or your comb. Noisy! It's so messy out here because of all the rain yesterday. Miss Chris, what are you doing in there, sweetheart?
You want to say hi to the camera?
Hi, Lucy. Say Merry Christmas to everybody. Oh, you make the girl so jealous? You make the girl so jealous? Dogs. Let's see Mom and the baby. Chucky, what you doing, Chuck? Hey, Mama. Your baby stay warm? Huh? Daddy had to fill up your water today? Yeah. Where's the baby? Hey, girls. What are y'all doing? Huh?
You got any seeds in that water?
That's what I was just tossing them out.
Oh.
When it was the wet stuff, I was just tossing. And it was windy, so they were kind of blowing. Hey, Dot. Hey. Keeping everybody in line, buddy? Anybody knows where I can get a girl rowing duck? Please let me know. Or a girl pheasant.
He came out, huh?
Yep.
Cold.
We're gonna go back inside because it's cold out here. Bye, Lucy.
Lucy.
I'm surprised.
Long time, man.
The sky still looks like it could snow.
This jacket is weird. It zipped up.
I know it's hard to zip it.
No, it zipped up on the tongue goes in on this side of it.
Oh, mine always does.
Oh.
I think.
No, usually it's on the left-hand side.